Hello everyone, welcome to Biodiscovery. Hope you are doing great and having good health. This video is dedicated on World Cancer Day. We will discuss the importance of World Cancer Day. We will look at data how cancer is affecting to global community. We will also look at what is cancer, most common type of cancers, what are the things that we should avoid in our day-to-day life to minimize cancer risks, and much more. So stay tuned. World Cancer Day celebrated each year on 4th February to raise awareness of cancer and to encourage its prevention, detection and treatment. It is led by Union for International Cancer Control. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. The theme of World Cancer Day 2024 is Close the Care Gap. Care gap is the discrepancy between recommended best practices and the care that's actually provided. This theme says that we have to eradicate this gap as much as possible. Here are some data shared by Union for International Cancer Control related to how much cancer is affecting to community on global scale, which is very surprising. Over 10 million deaths have been reported globally from cancer in 2020. Among these, 70% deaths occurred in low to middle income countries. Cancer treatment services available only less than 30% of low income countries in the world. In low income countries, over 350,000 children are missing out on cancer treatment. UICC also recommends that up to 3.7 million lives could be saved each year through resource-appropriate strategies for prevention, early detection, timely and quality treatment. We have seen how serious cancer is, but actually what cancer is and how it forms inside our body. So when a normal cell starts to divide uncontrollably, it is called cancer cells. As a result of this uncontrolled cell division, a mass of cells starts to form in our body and block many functions. The disease arises due to this is collectively known as cancer. Cancerous cells have property to move from one place to other. This is known as metastasis. This disease arises due to change in DNA segment called genes. Hence, this is called as genetic disease. Currently, more than 100 types of cancers have been reported. We will learn about few important ones here. We either give name of cancer on which organ it originates or in which cell or tissue it originates. On the basis of origin of organ, cancer is of following type like bladder cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, colorectal cancer, prostate cancer, kidney cancer, liver, lungs, ovarian and skin cancers. On the basis of origin of cells, cancer can be categorized into 6 parts. Carcinoma. When cancer is formed by epithelial cells, it is called carcinoma. Sarcoma. Sarcoma are cancers that form in bone and soft tissues. Leukemia. Cancers that begin in the blood-forming tissue of the bone marrow are called leukemia. Lymphoma. Lymphoma is cancer that begins in lymphocytes. Melanoma. Melanoma is cancer that begins in the cells that become melanocytes. Multiple myeloma is cancer that begins in plasma cells. There is one important quote that prevention is better than cure. This is completely true. Here I have listed a few important things that are proven substances to cause cancer, and we must avoid these. Number 1 is smoking. Nicotine is present in cigarettes, which causes different type of cancer. Alcohols. Excessive consumption of alcohol causes cancer. Obesity. Due to obesity, level of few hormones like insulin increases than normal level, which lead to cancer. Ultraviolet light. UV light is mutagenic agent. It causes mutation in DNA leading to cancer. Red meat and processed meats. It is reported that excessive consumption of red and processed meat lead to colorectal cancers. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and content that has been shared in this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new and informative video for you. Stay connected, stay informed, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.